But let's talk about influencer platforms. There are so many of them. Some of them are so horrible, and some of them are actually really good. These are the ones that I think are worth actually getting on. Number one for me is Aspire. Well, it has been a little bit slower for me in the last 6 to 8 months. I do truly feel like they have the best brands on there and the best brands that are willing to negotiate and actually pay you fair rates. I actually also really love hashtag paid. While maybe they don't have as many collaborations coming up as often, I do find that I'm able to work with really good brands on there and they're willing to pay my rates. I love being able to negotiate. Now, if you're a creator who's just getting started and you're starting to do more gifted collaborations just to build that portfolio, I think Octoly is a really good platform. However, they do only offer gifted collaborations, so this is only for starters, guys. Stop seeking out unpaid collaborations unless you're new. You guys know how I feel about this. The other thing with Octoly is they are going to ask for usage of your content in that little contract that you sign when you sign up. So just consider that as well. That's a whole nother rant that I could get on about perpetual usage, but we'll save that for another time. Honestly, I feel like I'm on all of the platforms though, so if you have questions about the others or need other recommendations, let me know in the comments.